We are a professional Christmas lighting factory in China. It also has an automated production workshop and an integrated warehouse. The production of C7CS wire is fully automated. High efficiency and quality are guaranteed. Multiple automatic machines can be used for simultaneous production. It can ensure that the goods are delivered on time. All technicians will check the completion of each light string. The detachable lamp stream also using automatic production. "100% copper material is the guarantee of quality. Each welding point is automatically completed by the machine. Integrated efficiency specification. This is an all-in-one automated production workshop of spool wire. The completed light strip line will be packaged and placed in an independent warehouse. This is our CNC7 bulb production test workshop. The engineer will check the waterproof interface of the bulb under the magnifying glass, so as to ensure whether the water resistance of each bulb is intact. This is our workshop for LED Christmas mini light. It adopts the technology of integrated die casting. Employees will line up each string of lights to test whether the product is qualified. Let's see the beautiful color of 5mm light string. We accept customized different color.